Hello viewers, welcome to Earthbondhon YouTube channel. I am Mohammad Shohan Shohag with you. In this video, now I am showing you how to make energy meter in house wiring diagram. If you are new to my channel, please be subscribed and stay with me. Press the bell icon for more my video. If you already subscribed, thank you so much. So viewers, let's start. Single phase energy meter, single pole circuit breaker, house load, phase connection input to energy meter, neutral connection input to energy meter neutral point. Neutral connection outgoing from energy meter to connect house load. Phase connection output from energy meter to connect single pole circuit breaker. Output connection from circuit breaker to connect house load, and this is phase connection. Earth wire connection to house load. Now this circuit is ready for use. So viewers, that's my video. If you like my video, please like and share my video to your friend. Share my video to your all social media. Thanks for watching my video and thanks for being with me. Thank you so much.